Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay May 17, 2023, Miyerkules. Welcome po sa Wednesday edition in the stock market today. Pagpamuhin po ninyo at tayo ay nasa remote location at sana po ay hindi po maingay. Ang ating special news ay tungkol po sa San Miguel, GTCAP at Emperador. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Binabalita ko po ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. At iniimbitahan ko po kayong mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking ipa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon. Mari, we're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE. Today, May 17, 2023, dito lamang po sa the stock market today. Okay, ang ating mga headlines po ay matatagpuan sa BDO Securities. Fitch says Philippine banks remain resilient. Malapaya Consortium investing $600 million. Ito po yung grupo ni Mr. Enrique Razon. GTCAP core profits rise 64% in the first quarter. Ito po ay isa sa ating mga main news. And FGEN submits highest bid for 165 megawatts Kasaknan hydro plant. Pero ang ating main news ay dito po, no? Isang special feature. San Miguel Corporation, meron po siyang expansion plans, face execution and regulatory risks. Action valuation maintain neutral. Target price lowered to 109. So, balit na lang po yung upside nito, no? Dahil nasa 105 po ang closing price ni San Miguel yesterday. Sustained volume growth underpinning FGEN core profits. SMCGP confident on its expansion and financing plans. One thing about San Miguel is that profitable naman po ito. Ang problema lang sa kanya ay marami po siyang loans. Yun po yung nagpo-pull down sa kanyang rating, So, marami po siyang capital expenditures na fina-fund po ng loans from the banks. Next, we have GT Capital Holdings. Reiterate buy on auto outperformance. And yan po yung auto outperformance, yan po yung Toyota Motor Philippines na lumaki po ang kanyang income to 117.5%, and this accounts for 45% of GTCAP's core income. TMP of Toyota Motor Philippines post higher revenues and better margins. Banking and infra show solid growth, maintained by with a TP raised to 773 or an implied upside of 56.2%. Then last we have Emperador. High margin whiskey offset brandy cost woes. First quarter 23 net income is within expectations. Brandy volumes remain strong but cost pressures persist. Whiskey strength continues. There is a keep neutral with a target price of 22 pesos. Maliit lang po upside dito, halos wala. It's just 5% from a 20.95% closing price yesterday. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the index. The index is at 6633.93. Hindi pa po nagko-close, no? 1:15 in the afternoon lang po. Most active stock is BDO as of 1:15. followed by AC, Glow, SMPH, and Ali. Lahat po sila ay positive, led by Ayala Corporation at 2.13%. Okay, we'll be back later as the market closes, so just stay tuned. Alright, we're back. And pasensya na uli at medyo maingay lamang po. Pagtsagaan niyo po sana ako. Ang ating index, actually, ang nakikita niyo po ay Picor, pero nasa kanan po yung index. For some reason, hindi po lumalabas yung chart ng ating index. Pero siya po ay nagtapos sa 6635.11. So something is wrong here on the Investogram's chart. Market activity, 97 ang nag-decline, 93 ang umabante, 41 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index ay umakyat ng 0.41%. Samantala, ang ating sectoral indices ay halo or mixed. Ang financials, holding companies, properties at services ay umakyat, samantalang ang mining at ang industrials ay bumaba. Most active stock is BDO, followed by Ayala Corporation, Ali, GTCAP, and SM. Yan po ang top 5. Pero tignan po natin ang nag-figure out sa news kanina. Ito po yung SMC, GTCAP, EMI. Then let's take a look at FGEN. Interesting. 6.63% ang kanyang akyat, followed by Ayala Corporation na 2.09% ang kanyang akyat. Okay, so let's now start with San Miguel Corporation. Si San Miguel Corporation ay flat, 105 pa rin ang kanyang presyo katulad po noong Biyernes. And ang kanyang earnings report ay, well, based on the BDO securities, maintain neutral, ano? Dahil, although meron siyang net income, ay hindi pa rin po maganda ang financials ni San Miguel dahil sa kanyang pagkakautang, ano? Ito po yung statement or pahayag ng analyst. However, we cut our SOTP. SOTP, sum of the parts base target price by 4% as we reflect higher debt levels versus previous of the power segment to fund its significant capex. At po yung sinasabi ko kanina na nag-increase po sila ng kanilang capital expenditures by their borrowings. We keep our neutral rating with our new target price, implying limited upside potential of 4%. Yan po, si SMC. So flat po siya ngayon, and the support, actually very narrow lang po ang support and resistance niya. Ang pinaka-support level po niya, ang pinaka-malapit po sa aking nakikita, ay ito po, 104.60. So this is near support already. The nearest resistance nandito po sa area nito nasa 108.90. Yan po si San Miguel. Next we have GTCAP. Ngayon si GTCAP, tignan natin siya. Umaakyat po si GTCAP dahil maganda po ang kanyang performance. 63.69% po ang kanyang first quarter earnings and 52.51 yung 2022 earnings. Kaya po, umaakyat po siya na merong breakout, no? May volume po kasi siya dito. And yung indicators po natin ay umailalim na po. But let's draw a parallel channel here. Actually, ganito po ang aking drawing ng parallel channel. So, na-break na po ang kanyang pinaka-resistance na nasa 500. So, the trend is going down but it appears to be reversing. Yun po ang aking assessment kay GT Capital Holdings. The next higher resistance ay nandito po, aking nakikita dito sa 525, the next higher resistance. So yung pinaka-support po niya o resistance na naging support ay nasa 500.13. Ngayon si Emperador naman, actually the other day I was asking, when I've asked my better half, bakit ganun si ASEN, ano? Silipin lang natin si ASEN. Kasi ang sagot ko initially was market sentiment, but there appears to be some realignment in the MSCI. Kaya po mukhang matatanggal si ASEN doon. Kaya po nagdi-dip siya. Pero secondary source lang po yun. Wala po akong research na ginawa. At aking personal or based on a secondary source. Anyway, balik po tayo dito sa EMI. EMI hindi po maganda, although generally upward trend. Yan, no? Upward trend po siya. But if you take a look at the fundamentals of EMI, 22 pa rin with a neutral rating. You know? Support, let's take MA100 as our support at 20.63. Ngayon, tignan natin yung parallel channel niya para ma-determine natin yung kanyang resistance. More or less, nasa 21.41 po ang next resistance level ni EMI with dividends to, no? 29 centavo per share dividend. Payment date is May 25. Pero in general, pataas po ang trend ni Emperador. Next, we have FGEN. Si FGEN ay breakout. Yes, this is a breakout and ang laki ng akyat niya, oh. Overbought. Dito pa lang nag-overbought na eh. Kasi merong volume po dito, hindi natin makita mabuti. Pero yan po, no? Yan po, may volume na po dyan. This is the first breakout. Nagkaroon po ng consolidation dito. Actually, the resistance na naging support nandito po sa area to eh. Yan, no? 1822 po yung dating resistance na dumediretso po siya. Support na po yan. The next resistance level is actually here. This is the higher resistance na naging higher support, no? So, it's now approaching its next resistance level na uli ito. Kasi next resistance niya nandito na. Yan, no? 20 pesos ang next resistance niya. And this is a breakout, ha? Breakout po siya. Earnings-wise, maganda. First quarter is 54% increase, and the 2022 level is almost flat, 4.31. And it's a very good sign that FGEN is finally moving up. The stock is overbought. Finally, we have Ayala Corporation. Ay, moving sideways lang po, pero more on the bullish side, ano? So, si Ayala ay turning bullish already and there is volume on the stock. So, the support level is here. Nasa 665.76. Recently, it had a dip here which had, tingnan natin, overbought ba ito or oversold? Nag-touch ng oversold level at 30.04, pero yung oversold niya po nandito kasi 25.61 ng February. So ngayon, umaakyat na po siya, and Ayala Corporation, though mabagal po ang kanyang upward movement, ay maganda naman po ang kanyang earnings report, no? Kasi yung mga blue chip po, hindi po talaga drastic or mabilis ang pag-akyat at saka pagbaba. Dahan-dahan lang po siya sa pag-akyat o pagbaba. In this case, pag-akyat, 41% ang first quarter increase niya, and 27%, well, respectable, no? So yung 665.76 is our support level, and the next resistance nakikita ko po dito sa area to. Actually, the lower resistance nandito po sa 742 ang next resistance level po ni Ayala Corporation. Support and resistance, di pa yan exact points. Area po yan. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-17 ng Mayo. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.